unboxing video with my little palette of hair care. I got all the stuff. Today we are going to do an unboxing video. So yeah. First when we open it, we get this little, it is the Care Strengthening Repair Shampoo. I'm going to definitely be using this tonight. Next, we're going to use this scalp scrub, which I'm going to give to my mom because I don't really need it. Next, I got this leave-in moisturizing leave-in conditioner. Oh, I'm back too close. Then this leave-in conditioner one. This looks really good. I'm definitely gonna be using this. Next, we got this conditioner, straight through pear conditioner. I love the little thingy. This is a leave-in conditioner also. So yeah, this is a money for super glossy looking hair or something like that. Next we got the shampoo and shampooing one. I'm gonna give this to my dad because I don't really need this one. Next we got in this revealing conditioner, and then we got in the shampooing one.
Yeah, we got a little tin, so that's better than.
Okay, now we got these little thingies. We got 59, 76, 962, which I love. It smells like summer. And then we got 68, and that's all that I got. And this is what it looks like. This is what the box looks like. I'm super happy that I got all this stuff. Thank you so much, Grandma, for getting me all these. Then that's all. Bye.